Hello everyone, and welcome to a new educational video on common collocations. Collocations are combinations of words that frequently go together, making our speech and writing sound more natural and fluent. Today, we'll explore some of the most common collocations, provide example sentences, and practice using them in context. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use these word combinations effectively. Additionally, we've included comprehension questions to help reinforce your learning. So, let's get started on this journey to mastering collocations. The importance of learning common collocations. Fluency and naturalness make speech and writing sound more like a native speaker. Improved comprehension enhances understanding of spoken and written language. Effective communication reduces misunderstandings and clarifies messages. Enhanced vocabulary expands and deepens vocabulary usage. Cultural insight provides insight into cultural norms and usage. Better writing skills improves coherence and quality of writing. Time efficiency speeds up language learning by learning chunks. Reading and listening proficiency aids in quicker, more accurate comprehension. Confidence building boosts confidence in language use. Overview. Find common collocations. Examples: reading stories, interactive questions, matching questions, sentence completion questions, multiple choice questions. Common collocations. Find. Let's begin with set 1 of Find collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Find a way. Find a solution. Find an answer. Find a mistake. Find a job. Find inspiration. Find time. Find comfort. Find an opportunity. Find a reason.
Examples: we need to find a way to reduce expenses without cutting essential services. The team worked overnight to find a solution to the technical issue. After hours of research, Lucille finally found an answer to her scientific question. The editor carefully reviewed the article to find a mistake before publishing. After months of searching, Ricardo was thrilled to finally find a job in his field. Maisie often finds inspiration in nature for her paintings. Even with a busy schedule, Cesar always finds time to read before bed. Celine found comfort in talking to her best friend during difficult times. Jay was lucky to find an opportunity to work abroad. Hope couldn't find a reason to decline the amazing job offer.
The problem-solving team. Angelina and her team were struggling with a major project. They needed to find a way to meet their deadline while maintaining quality. After a brainstorming session, they finally found a solution that saved time without sacrificing accuracy. Angelina spent hours researching to find an answer to a technical issue, and in the process, she found a mistake in their calculations. Meanwhile, her colleague Mario was trying to find a job after completing his internship. Angelina encouraged him to find inspiration in his past achievements. Despite their workload, she always managed to find time for short breaks, which helped her find comfort in a stressful environment. One day, she received an email about a conference abroad where she could present their project. It was a chance to find an opportunity to expand their business. As the deadline approached, Angelina began to doubt if their efforts were enough. However, she reminded herself to find a reason to stay motivated. In the end, the project was a success, proving that persistence and teamwork always pay off.
Matching questions. Match the scenarios with the correct phrases. Find a job. Find a way. Find an answer. Find comfort. Find a mistake. Alexa was determined to blank to balance her work and personal life. The scientist worked tirelessly to blank to the challenging equation. The teacher asked the students to double-check their work to blank before submitting their assignments. After months of applications, Dean finally managed to blank at a well-known company. Reading poetry helped her blank during difficult times.
Let's continue. Let's begin with set 2 of Find Collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Find out the truth. Find out information. Find a lost item. Find out the facts. Find out what happened. Find it interesting. Find it surprising. Find it difficult. Find an error. Find something useful.
Examples. Ruth was determined to find out the truth about what really happened that night. You can find out information about the event on their official website. After searching everywhere, Henry finally found his lost item under the couch. Before making a decision, it's important to find out the facts. The police are still trying to find out what happened during the accident. I find it interesting how different cultures celebrate the same holiday in unique ways. Kimberly found it surprising that he didn't remember their anniversary. Many people find it difficult to wake up early in the morning. The programmer found an error in the code that was causing the system to crash. While cleaning the attic, Amy found something useful for her DIY project.
The hidden clue. Liam was always curious. One day, he overheard a mysterious conversation and felt the urge to find out the truth. His first step was to find out information from reliable sources. During his search, he happened to find a lost item, a notebook belonging to his grandfather. It contained notes that helped him find out the facts about a long-forgotten family mystery. However, he still needed to find out what happened in the past, so he interviewed some elderly relatives. As he pieced the story together, Liam began to find it interesting how little details revealed so much. At the same time, he found it surprising that no one had ever spoken about it. Some details were unclear, making him find it difficult to believe certain parts of the story. While reviewing old letters, he managed to find an error in a name mentioned in the documents, which led him to a breakthrough. Finally, buried deep in the pages, he found something useful, an old map that guided him to the last piece of the puzzle.
Sentence completion questions. Read the sentences below and fill in the blanks with the correct collocations from the list. Find it difficult. Find something useful. Find out the facts. Find a lost item. Find out what happened. Find out the truth. Find it surprising. 1. Before making a final decision, it is important to blank by verifying multiple sources. 2. After searching for hours, Isaac was relieved to blank that had been missing for weeks. 3. The journalist conducted an investigation to blank behind the recent financial scandal. 4. Many students blank to learn a new language, especially when it comes to pronunciation. 5. The detective was eager to blank about the mysterious disappearance. 6. While organizing old documents, Deborah managed to blank that would help her with her research.
Let's carry on. Let's begin with set 3 of Find Collocations. These are essential phrases for everyday English. We'll look at examples and practice using them. Let's dive in. Find success. Find yourself in trouble. Find yourself in a difficult situation. Find a friend. Find strength. Find love. Find common ground. Find happiness. Find peace. Find a bargain.
Examples. With hard work and dedication, Beatrice was able to find success in her career. If you don't follow the rules, you may find yourself in trouble. Eve found herself in a difficult situation when she had to choose between 2 great job offers. Moving to a new city can be tough, but Philip soon found a friend at work. Andy found strength in his family during the hardest time of his life. Cleo never expected to find love while traveling abroad. The 2 opposing sides tried to find common ground during the debate. Frederick quit his stressful job to find happiness in a simpler life. After years of conflict, the nation finally found peace. Sasha was excited to find a bargain at the store's clearance sale.
A new beginning. After years of hard work, Esme was determined to find success in her own way. However, life wasn't always easy, and she sometimes found herself in trouble when things didn't go as planned. One day, she found herself in a difficult situation. She had to choose between staying in her current job or taking a risky opportunity abroad. It wasn't an easy choice, but she decided to take the leap. In her new city, she struggled at first but soon found a friend who helped her adjust. Whenever she felt overwhelmed, she would find strength in the support of her loved ones. Unexpectedly, she also found love in her new surroundings, making her journey even more meaningful. Despite cultural differences, she and her colleagues worked hard to find common ground in their projects. Over time, she learned to find happiness in small achievements and finally found peace in her new home. One day, while shopping, she even managed to find a bargain on a book about success, which reminded her how far she had come.
Multiple choice questions. Read the sentences and circle the correct one. 1. If you work hard and stay dedicated, you will eventually blank. A. Find peace. B. Find success. C. Find an error. 2. The 2 opposing parties were able to blank and reach an agreement. A. Find strength. B. Find yourself in trouble. C. Find common ground. 3. When moving to a new city, it is always nice to blank who shares your interests. A. Find a friend. B. Find a way. C. Find an error. 4. If you ignore the rules, you might blank sooner or later. A. Find yourself in trouble. B. Find happiness. C. Find out the truth. 5. During hard times, people often blank in the support of their loved ones. A. Find inspiration. B. Find strength. C. Find an opportunity. 6. Camilla was thrilled to blank at the end of season sale. A. Find common ground. B. Find comfort. C. Find a bargain.
Thank you for joining this educational video on common collocations. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of how to use these essential word combinations. Remember, the key to mastering collocations is practice and exposure. Continue to read, listen, and use these collocations in your daily communication. Don't forget to test your understanding by answering the comprehension questions. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Keep practicing, and you'll see your language skills improve in no time. Have a great day, and happy learning!